So here it is in the kitchen. Let me see. You can see the lemon mousse cake. The bug. The lemon mousse cake. This had lemon and banana and ice cream and whipped cream. Cool Whip to be exact. And you just chocolate or put a banana on top of it. Just chocolate cover it. And it's bad. And let's back up. Let's see what the replacement chef does to it. He's got like a bug in his penis and then it's good. So now he replacement chefed it in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Lemon samango cake. And it no longer has sperm if you project it. Project. He knows how to cook and get rid of foods. Whoa. This is what a big powdered sugar lemon looks like. Sorbet. Sorbet your food. Now he doesn't have sperm. Let's mix up the Cool Whip. When you get a cake part, it's on. Get a cake part. Mix the powder. It baked 15 minutes. And boy, it was good. Now all I have to do is bake it again. And when I bake it again, it means business. Eat that banana. And it's ready for the bake too. The bake too.